Okay, so question number 1, what should be the answer? Yes, the first IX. So those who have written IX, give them 1. Done. Done. Can we move to the next question? So what is this? Yes, this is indeed Brahmaputra Volleyball League. The geographical entity being Brahmaputra, dividing the state into Brahmaputra Valley and Barak Valley. Yes, only except Brahmaputra Volleyball League. Only Brahmaputra. Actually, I did the name of the league. They have given the keyword. Give them 0.5 for now. Yes. No. They have given the keyword, so I have given them only 0.5. Those who have written Brahmaputra Volleyball League, I have given them 1, and those who have written the keyword Brahmaputra, for now, for the time being, let's give them 0.5. So, volunteers done. So, what? Yes, this is cheerleaders or cheerleading. Anything to do with cheerleading and cheerleaders? Yes. Either accept cheerleaders or cheerleading. Done. Question number 3 done. So, which? Yes, this is indeed dresses, which uses music. Okay. Keep them. So if someone has written dressing and in bracket equestrian, please give them 1. Can we move to the next question? So what is ES Sports? Yes, this is ES Sports, and it's in the game. He gave the voice to the famous iconic ES Sports. It's in the game. So I need 2 answers. So if they have written ES Sports, give them 1, and if they have written it's in the game, give them 2. Means if they have written both the part, give them 2. If they have written only one part, give them 1. ES Sports will fetch them 1 point, and it's in the game will fetch them one more point. Okay? What? So I need each in the game in the answer. So yes. He gave the voiceover to what? He didn't give the voiceover to do everything in EA. He just gave the voiceover only to that iconic line. And come on, man. If you write ES Sports, then you will definitely write each in the game. What? Okay. Please give them 0.5 for their part, because I need each in the game. Since you have written he gave the voice. Done. If they have written ES Sports and each in the game both part, then give them 2. If they have written like have given voiceover for the iconic intro or something, give them 0.5. Okay? Can we move to the next question? So what is this? Yes, this is famous 5, and the author is Enid Blyton. Only accept famous 5. Don't accept like Fantastic 5 or something like that. Accept only famous 5 and Enid Blyton. Two us. So can we move to next volunteers? There are 2 points, okay? Famous 5 1 point, Enid Blyton 1 point. If somebody has both the part, give them 2. If somebody has only one part, give them 1. Moving to the next question. So what is this? Yes, indeed, this is go. those who have written go, please give them 1 point. Similar to chess, it uses black and white colored stones or pebbles. What I should say. So next, volunteers can answer next. So what is this pass? Yes, this is indeed the Hail Mary pass. It is a name of a prayer, Catholic prayer. I need Hail Mary in the answer. Can we go next? So what is this quotation? Okay. It ain't over until it's over, or it isn't over until it's. It ain't over. Okay, it's not over until it's over. I will accept that also. It ain't over until it's over. Done. Volunteers done. Next question. Who is? Yes, this is indeed Johan Cruyff. Last one for Johan Cruyff. Please accept spelling mistake, okay? For the time being, and if it sounds like phonetically same, please give them the marks. Can I move to the next? So who is this? Yes, this is Keril Takas. He was a Hungarian athlete to win 2 Olympic gold medals. So those who are written Keril Takas, give them +1. Volunteers done? So yes, I'll accept. So he's an athlete with the longest name to win an Olympic gold. Or you can write Olympic medal or something. I need the operative part, longest name. If someone has written athlete with longest name, and moreover one thing, athlete with longest name to win a medal, okay? If they have already written athlete with longest name, then I will not accept it, because I have already told it. I have already told it now. Yes. So no. The thing could be like that she could be the one person with the longest name to ever participate in the Olympic, or no, I give you 0.5 for that. If somebody has written only the longest name, give them 0.5. If somebody has written player with longest name to win a medal or to win the gold medal or something like that, then please give them 1. Okay? Oh yes. Longest. Okay. That will also do. Yes. 1. Can you move to the next? So what is this? Let's see. This Marcus Rashford. So those are only Rashford. The answer should begin. I have already told you that the answers will follow the alphabetical order. So now the answer should start with M. So somebody have written Rashford. Please give them 0.5. I need the full name. Okay. So moving to the next volunteer. Are you good to go? So who is this? Yes, this is Niki Lauda. Only Niki? No. Because I have already given them the clue that it will sound similar to a pop star or rapper, female rapper. What? Nicholas? No. Nicholas something. Okay. They have written Nicholas. Okay. Give them. No. I thought they have written Nicholas something. No. Because I already gave the clue that She will sound similar to a first name will sound similar to an American pop artist. So next, volunteers. Next. Can I go to the next? So what is the name of this? Yes, this is Orissa and Juggernaut. And the word Juggernaut has come from? Yes, it has come from Jagannath, which is the famous Jagannath temple in Orissa. Only Orissa. Give them 0.5 because I needed both the parts. I give them 0.5. No. Because I already mentioned that it is actually a loan word from Hindi. Okay, so moving to the next. Yes. Only Orissa I give you 0.5. Okay, moving to the next. What is this? Yes. This is Phrygian cap, or these are known as the Phryges. Okay, yes. Give them marks for the, if they written Phrygian cap or written the Phryges, give them mark. No. This is the proper name. This. Can I move to the next? So who is this? Kai Samet is the right answer. No. I need only this name in the answer. Kai Samet. No. Can you move to the next? So what is this term? No. Yes, this is low ball. Okay. If excuse me, if somebody written Rohit ball and bracket low ball, then please give them. Okay. No. If somebody has written row ball, whether in bracket or in inside or anywhere, give them 1. If somebody has written Rohit ball, give them 0.5. No. Only row ball or Rohit ball. If somebody has written Rohit ball, give them 0.5. If somebody has written row ball, give them 1. Next. Yes? No. Only Rohit will not do. No. Yes. So the first part I know many would have written sailing. So this is not sailing, but this is surfing, which was introduced in 2020 Olympics. And for the second part, I need breaking or break dance. Okay. Yes. This is a 2-mark question. Somebody have written surfing, give them 1. And if they have written breaking or break dance, give them another 1. Okay. Can you do the next? So what is the nickname? Yes, this is the Twin Towers. The attacks of 9/11. Twin Towers. Can you move to the next? Yes, this is umpire. Here is the non-pair. If you pronounce it, it will pronounce. So next. Yes, this is indeed Venus Williams. Question number 22. Venus Williams. Done? Yes, let's hear it. This is who let the dogs out. Question number 23 answer. Who let the dogs out? Next. Yes. This is Xabi Alonso. And for the spelling, it should be XABI, okay, not ZA something, because I have already given you it is an alphabetical order. XABI, Xabi Alonso. XABI, yes. XABI. So he has meant that is the Barcelona manager, so please don't give him the.
Oh, I'm village.
How can you write man Xabi Alonso? Have you ever heard Xabi's second name? We all call him like Xabi. So next, so only accept Xabi Alonso, okay? So yes, the second part is Shohei Otani. The first part is Yuta Watanabe. This is Yuta Watanabe, and the second part is Shohei Otani. Next. Yes. Zlatan Ibrahimovic going to LA Galaxy. Actually, it was joining. 2018 he. Oh, okay. I will confirm it. But as far as I know, it was actually his arrival. Actually, I think.